For this Mazda 2, this is the socket that you're gonna need in removing the front seat. This is how the head of the bolt looks like. Now there are 4 bolts that holds the front seat. Here are the 2 bolts at the front and another 2 at the rear. Now loosen each bolt. You may use a ratchet or a breaker bar with an extension. Pull the front seat to have more space at the back. Fold the seat and start removing the bolts. Gently lift the railing and pull the end plastic cover. There are also 2 covers at the front. Be sure to remove them. Then, lift the front end of the seat. There you will see a big electrical socket for the sensor of the seatbelt catcher. In order to remove it, you will need a small flathead screwdriver with some masking tape on the tip to prevent any scratches or damage to the socket. First, you need to pull this white plastic piece. Just simply push it backwards using a small flathead screwdriver. Once you pull the plastic piece all the way at the back, you need to press and hold this small gray plastic tab while pulling the whole socket. This is the lock for this socket. So push and hold, then pull the socket. Here is a closer view. The white plastic piece only acts as a cover. The gray plastic tab is the lock of the socket. It's optional to remove the headrest, but it's better to remove it for more space. Fold and you can now take the seat away from the vehicle. Be careful not to scratch your sidings when doing this. The passenger seat has been successfully removed. Next is the driver's seat. Same procedure. You can end the video here, or you can just watch it if you want it. So there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless.